Today we'll explore how to add a 3D texture to a model in SOLIDWORKS.
First, we start with a simple pen case.
SOLIDWORKS provides pre-made appearances including 3D textures,
Unlike regular appearances, which only change the model's color and rendering.
3D textures create a physical surface that alters the model shape.
To apply a 3D texture, simply drag it onto the model's surface.
In this case, I've chosen a texture from an external website. It offers more detail compared to the default options in SOLIDWORKS. Once the texture is applied, we can edit its appearance setting. Here we adjust the texture size and position to fit the model properly. After making the adjustments, we confirm and close the setting. Next, we use the 3D texture function to convert the visual texture into a physical one. There are three key parameters to adjust, mainly controlling the texture's density and depth. After fine-tuning these settings, we confirm and close. Now take a look at the model. It's no longer a simple shape, but a detailed textured design. We then save the model in style format, import it into slicing software, and prepare it for 3D printing. As you can see, the final 3D printed model has a rich, intricate texture, making it much more visually appealing than the original smooth surface. Creating such a complex design from scratch in SOLIDWORKS would be extremely difficult. Modeling these detailed curved surfaces manually would be nearly impossible. However, with the 3D texture function, achieving this result is quick and effortless.